Okay, so here's the demo of the Nintendo Arcade. So right now we're in the menu system, so you can select between the different games. If we go back, there's also some tests that I used when building the system, so we can see all the buttons are inputting correctly. And there's also a video test pattern, just to make sure that everything was lining up correctly. So if we go into games, we can pick one of these, and we'll boot up into this game. We'll go through the attract mode. As you can see, the sprites are offset, so that was one issue. So to start it, we have to insert one coin into the system, and we hit the one player button. And so now with the buttons here, we can move around and jump. So we'll just make it to the end of the level. Not as easy to play with buttons. Okay, so there's the end of the stage. I guess I'll play through the next one, just to show that it all works. Tricky situation. Okay, now I'll show the other games. So to get back, just reset the system. So here's the next one, radar scope. So we can boot into this game. It'll do the same thing with the attract mode. There we go. So we can insert a coin. So we can play the game. So this one's move left and right and shoot. Okay, and I'll show the last one. So Donkey Kong Jr. So this one's the same. Okay, so we'll put in the coin, just show it working. So here we can move around, jump. So I'll show some of the things that I use to debug this. So here's the actual machine. I use this as a reference design for the signals. So over here I have the game board that I would take the signals off of. It's hooked up to a logic analyzer to view the signals. So the gameplay here is similar to what we have, except the sprites aren't misaligned. So on the design, we had a mux that output some of the signals from the main CPU. So here, this one and this one are outputting the address of the main CPU, just to make sure that it was accessing the correct memory. This one shows the peripheral enables. So here we have program memory, RAM. These two are video RAM, input, output devices, and these just show that all the peripherals are being accessed correctly in case there was address decoding error. And this one shows the sound CPU output that would be fed into a DAC. So I'll show you using this inductive amplifier working. So let me just start the game. Put this on here. You can hear the output of the DAC. We can hear the background music of the game. The resolution isn't very good since we're only probing one line, but it can be used for testing.